How to print a note in Microsoft OneNote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to print something that you have written in your notebook on Microsoft OneNote. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then head over to the notebook of your Microsoft OneNote. After you're done, you need to go to the file option in the top left. There you'll find the print option. You just need to tap on it and tap on print this page. Now make sure that your laptop or your PC is connected to the printer. Just put the destination, the pages, the layout, and the color, and you just need to hit print, and then it will get printed. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.